Hello and welcome to Crafting with You, where I bring you a wide range of crafting tutorials and ideas. This is the third and final video in this year's holiday series. I'll show you how to make this really nice holiday home decor idea. Keep it for yourself, give it out as a gift, totally up to you. If this is something you want to make, follow along with me. Let's get started. Start with a sheet of craft foam. This is the one that I bought, and I also got it in the 1-inch thickness. Draw out the dimensions of each piece, and I'll put those dimensions in the description box, and then using a serrated knife, cut out each one, and this is what it should look like at the end. Select fabric combinations you want to use to wrap each piece. On the wrong side of the fabric, so this is the right side, this is the wrong side, mark how much fabric you want to use. To get the correct dimensions, you first want to get your foam piece, and you're going to add 1 inch to each side, so 2 inches total, and then another 2 inches to overlap. I suggest you use pinking shears to cut your fabric because it prevents fraying, but if you don't have it, regular scissors are fine. Once you're done cutting all your pieces, it should look like this. Cut squares in the 4 corners to make your gluing easier, and then using glue gun or spray adhesive, start attaching the fabric to the foam piece. If you have a little extra fabric or threads poking out, go ahead and just snip those off. All my foam pieces are now wrapped and ready for decorating. And here we go, all my pieces are completely decorated. You can change up any type of ribbon and decorative accents to get the look you want. And now we're ready to assemble. Take your biggest piece, place it down, get your 2 next biggest pieces, and place them on either side. We're going to put some glue with a glue gun right on the back right there, and then we're going to attach these pieces together. Once those pieces are attached, take your last 2 pieces and we're going to place them right at one end and then right in the middle. And you're done! You can always change the look by adding different fabric and decorative accents. You can even add more pieces if you'd like. I put this up on my mantle and added my reindeer and snowman to keep it company. If you haven't seen the first and second video in this year's holiday series, please check it out. You can learn how to make these reindeers using Oreos and donuts, and you can learn also how to make your own custom ornaments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I wish all of you a very happy holidays, and I'll see you next time on Crafting with You.